There's something deeply satisfying about watching wood behave with mechanical precision. Not rough. Not random. Not accidental. But calculated. Every edge aligned. Every joint intentional. Every surface working together like components inside a perfectly engineered machine. That's what makes this style of woodworking so captivating. It doesn't simply rely on decoration. It relies on structure. On balance. On disciplined craftsmanship. And when it's done right, the result feels almost impossible to ignore. Because suddenly, wood stops looking soft and organic. And starts looking powerful. In today's world of fast manufacturing and disposable design, handcrafted precision stands out more than ever. There's a growing fascination with wooden creations that feel engineered rather than improvised. Shapes become cleaner. Lines become sharper. The geometry becomes more confident. And with every measured cut, the material begins to reveal another personality hidden beneath the grain. A personality built on order. You can often recognize this type of craftsmanship immediately. The symmetry feels exact. The proportions feel controlled. Even the shadows look deliberate. Nothing appears out of place. That level of visual control creates a strange illusion. The structure almost feels machine-made, even though every detail may have passed through human hands one step at a time. And perhaps that's what makes it so impressive. It's not just craftsmanship. It's discipline translated into physical form. One of the most fascinating aspects of precision woodworking is the relationship between natural material and engineered thinking. Wood naturally expands, contracts, bends, and shifts over time. It has imperfections, density variations, and unpredictable grain behavior. Yet skilled creators work with those variables instead of fighting them. They study movement. They calculate tension. They understand alignment. And through patience, they transform a living material into something that feels mechanically stable. That contrast creates visual tension in the best possible way. Nature meeting precision. Organic texture meeting industrial order. And somewhere in between, craftsmanship becomes art. What truly separates machine-inspired woodworking from ordinary construction is intention. Nothing is placed carelessly. Every curve has purpose. Every spacing decision matters. Every connection influences the entire visual rhythm. Even negative space becomes part of the engineering language. That's why these designs often feel calm and powerful at the same time. The eye recognizes order instinctively. Repetition creates harmony. Alignment creates confidence. And precision creates trust. You begin to sense that the structure was designed to last long beyond trends or temporary styles. There's also something incredibly cinematic about clean mechanical geometry in wood. Under the right lighting, edges create dramatic contrast. Grain patterns begin to resemble topographic maps flowing across controlled surfaces. Smooth planes reflect light differently. Sharp transitions create depth. And suddenly the entire structure feels alive with movement, even while standing completely still. This is where woodworking starts crossing into architectural thinking. The maker is no longer simply shaping material. They are shaping experience. Precision also changes the emotional response people have toward wood. Traditional rustic craftsmanship often feels warm, relaxed, and nostalgic. Mechanical precision creates a different emotion. Focus. Strength. Control. It feels modern without becoming cold. Industrial without losing soul. And that balance is extremely difficult to achieve. Because if precision becomes excessive, the structure can lose character. But when craftsmanship allows small natural details to remain visible, the result feels authentic rather than artificial. Tiny grain shifts, subtle tonal variation, natural texture beneath geometric order. Those details remind us that the material still came from nature. And that contrast makes the work unforgettable. Another reason this style attracts so much attention is the satisfaction of movement and fit. Humans naturally appreciate precision because our brains respond positively to alignment and consistency. Perfect spacing feels rewarding. Flush connections feel satisfying. Smooth motion feels intelligent. Even simple mechanisms become mesmerizing when executed cleanly. A sliding surface moving effortlessly. A hidden connection locking perfectly into place. A balanced structure holding weight with elegant efficiency. These moments trigger curiosity. People begin asking questions immediately. How was that measured? How does it fit together so perfectly? How can wood look so exact? And that curiosity keeps attention locked onto the craftsmanship. Machine-inspired woodworking also reveals how powerful restraint can be. Many designs become stronger when unnecessary complexity is removed. Instead of excessive decoration, the focus shifts toward proportion and execution. Clean geometry becomes the statement. Sharp intersections become the visual language. And precision itself becomes beauty. That philosophy requires confidence from the maker. Because when details are simplified, imperfections become easier to notice. There's nowhere to hide. Every angle matters. Every surface matters. Every millimeter matters. But that pressure often produces the most extraordinary results. You start seeing craftsmanship at its highest level, not because of excess, but because of control. And perhaps that's the hidden lesson behind these structures. True mastery often looks effortless. But behind that effortless appearance are countless hours of observation, correction, patience, and refinement. Precision is never accidental. It's earned. Over time, even the workshop environment begins to reflect this mindset. Tools become organized differently. Measurements become habits. Processes become cleaner. The creator starts thinking systematically, almost like an engineer solving structural puzzles. And that mental shift changes everything. Instead of simply building objects, the maker begins designing systems. Systems of balance.